Hi everyone, welcome again! Some time ago I bought a set of boards for my new projects. The seller was very kind and said he would include some gifts, so thanks man! Let's see what we got. These cables and bracket are part of the gift. I don't have many of these and they are in good condition, so welcome! A TANS I/O controller card, ISA slot. It was gifted as well. A Cirrus Logic video card, also ISA, and also a gift. I didn't expect this one, a Sound Blaster Live PCI slot. This will be useful for upcoming projects. More gifts? What is this? It's like a capture video card with VGA. Real Magic Sigma designs. I'll have to investigate this one. This is awesome. Neat stuff. Thanks. Now, let's go with the things I have bought. This is the Matrox video card from my other video. A Vibra 16 sound card to complete my IBM PC. It has the Yamaha chip, so that's great. What I wanted was a correct use of that AT case that has turbo button, so I got a matching motherboard with a 486. Model ShuttleHot 409 version 2.2. Let's check out the processor. First, I'll clean the thermal paste. Here it is, 486 DX2, 66 MHz. This Varta battery goes out from here, for it's surely leaking. It has no scratches or corrosion on the bottom. That's not the case in the top, where corrosion has already started. The battery needs to go now. And yes, leaking as we can see. I don't like these batteries. Time to clean that. Looking good, but I will get rid of that sticker on the processor because I want to. Final clean on the socket and I'm done. Now let's connect an external battery. I have this connector that fits. With a small flat screwdriver, I lift this little plastic detainer and pull out the terminal. Then I can insert the one I want in its place. Jumper goes out. There we go. Let's check for continuity. Everything good. Now let's solder the connector to the new battery. I twist the cables together and simply solder them in one step, no tinning at all. Some heat shrink cable sleeves and we are done. Here we go, the mighty Libertador CPU case. Let's get the cards and the motherboard out. Don't worry, I've already got a place for them, but that's for another video. Do you see how practical this tray mounting system is? This should be a standard. Now I have to swap the motherboards on the tray. I have to match the plastic spacers to the new one. If I swap these ones between each other, it should do the job. Butterfingers. I put the screws on. Perfect. Let's mount it in its new, should I say, CPU case. There we go. I connect the PSU. I mount the CPU cooler. We have the cables, controller and video cards, obviously. little oxidation over here. If everything works fine, I'll clean the whole unit. The ribbon cables have to be plugged in the right position. There's a red cable at either one end of the connector that marks pin 1 on the controller card. It's the same for the hard drive and floppy side. It is marked as well. Let's hide them cables a little. Done. Now let's install the video card. I screw both in. Finally, I connect the Molex to the CPU cooler and we are good to go. It is working. Here I'm installing Windows 95. The memory it came with was of 8 megs, but I upgraded it to 16 megs that I was keeping for this occasion. Let's put this ESS sound card in. Done. Let's try some classic games. I'm gonna get killed. Not today. Ah, the memories. Not this way. Great, now let's do some benching. Shout out to Phil's Computer Lab that has all kind of solutions for retro projects. Links in video description. 12 points. Not good. .3 FPS for Chris Bench had to change the camera. 3.2 for PC player. Doom in low is playable. Doom in high, as you can see, it's not playable at all. Sysinfo shows around 20 points for CPU speed. Disk speed of 12.6. Landmark shows a different reading for CPU. And final readings on SpeedSys. I want to play around with BIOS configuration to see if it can perform better. But that's for another video. Stay tuned for more, and if you want, you can leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.